Hi guys, it's me, Isaiah, and I so fast killed. I said don't die, and then she just died when I landed. And now her house is it's a haunted house, and probably someone might burn it. I have no idea. Yeah, it might burn to death. So yeah, since no one lives here anymore. Miss Bunny was my best friend. Yeah, she's dead now. Now let's go over to the randomly places. Let's go to the store. I don't know where it is. Where is that store? There it is. Store is covered with a bunch of lights. Cannonball! Close at night. Open up. It's closed. Ha! No, it's morning. Silly. It's a store. Yep, I'm right. Hello there. What does your sign say? Oh no, that's not you. What the? What the? It's a villager in the top. What are you doing? Dude, that is not a real door, okay? It says for buying. Jeez, what are you doing? Wait, what? Hi there. Oh. Well, I was talking. Whoa, there's music in here? Really? That's so cool. Dude, they don't play music and they would. Oh, thanks. Put it back. Put it back. It's a button. It's a button. What's going on here? Help me. It's a kid. Okay, I started going crazy. Wow, there's a lot of beds. Why are you standing on the bed? You're not supposed to stand on the bed. I'll put this all in here. I'm putting them all in here. There you go. Okay, there's beds here. It costs 36 maps. Bed aisle. 36 maps. Let me see if I have. I don't have any maps. Seriously? Over here, just standing. Armor stand aisle. Cost 12 coal. Seriously?